Veryable is a technology solution and two-sided marketplace that gives businesses operational flexibility to execute labor on an hour-to-hour, day-to-day basis. It takes just 4 easy steps for a business to get started with Veryable. Step 1. Create a free profile and post an op, short for work opportunities. Your newly created profile, now your own business portal, enables you to post ops for the exact work you need, only when you need it. As soon as you post, the op is instantly pushed to the marketplace and immediately visible to your local pool of variable workers called operators. Operators will start bidding on your op within minutes. Step 2. Review and select operators. Veryable's platform gives businesses the ability to seamlessly review operators to make an informed decision before accepting operator bids. When an operator places a bid on your op, this tells you, the business, they are willing and able to perform the requested work. At this point, you will want to review the operator's distinct profiles and determine if they are a fit. Think of their profiles like a living, breathing digital resume. You will see their skill set, number of ops performed and what kind, where they've worked, and best of all, their average rating from other businesses using Veryable. They also come with a reliability score, which provides insight into past attendance. On the day of the op, operators will arrive at your site and begin working. After operators are finished, the Veryable platform distributes pay the next day, even if it's a multi-day op. Step 3. Rate operators, post additional ops. Ratings are incredibly valuable as they validate an operator's skills and experience. Once the op is complete, the business user is prompted to rate operators based on quality and proficiency, safety, attitude, and timeliness. Step 4. Build and deploy your curated labor pool. Veryable's marketplace is more than just a matchmaker for a one-time gig. It enables and encourages you to build, save, and repeat a network of operators to tap into the moment you need them. This is called your labor pool. And it's not only the primary objective of Veryable's on-demand labor model, but it is also your greatest asset for maximizing growth and productivity. The Veryable platform provides businesses with real-time access to labor, which enables them to maximize their operational flexibility and agility. Ultimately, this technology is unlocking the full potential of businesses and workers. It's a win-win for both sides of the equation. Sign up for a free business profile and gain operational flexibility and agility for your business today.